General Science, Standard 6, Chapter 6, Substances in Daily Use. Let us continue. Glass can be made from sand and calcium carbonate. However, sand and calcium carbonate cannot be obtained again from glass. You must have observed green chilies or tomatoes turning red after some time. Have you ever seen or heard of red tomatoes becoming green again? No. While making man-made substances, the properties of the constituents undergo a change. This change occurs due to certain chemical reactions. These changes in the properties are permanent. That is, the original constituent substances cannot be obtained again from the new substances. Such changes are called irreversible changes. Production of substances. Rubber. Rubber is of two types, natural and artificial. Natural rubber is obtained from the gum or sap of trees. This sap is called latex. Rubber has a peculiar odor and it is white in color. Odor means smell. Vulcanization of rubber. In this process, rubber is heated with sulfur for 3 to 4 hours. To give hardness to the rubber, sulfur is mixed in it. The proportion of sulfur in the mixture is determined by the purpose for which the rubber will be used. Erasers, rubber balls, rubber toys all have varying proportions of sulfur in them. In rubber bands, the proportion of sulfur is very small. In the past, Charles Goodyear spilled a mixture of rubber and sulfur on a burning stove. After the stove was extinguished, he noticed that the rubber had become harder and less elastic. He repeated this experiment in a systematic way and invented the process of vulcanization. Hard and tough tires of rubber made thenceforth brought about a revolutionary change in transportation. Do you know? Rubber is a natural substance obtained by collecting the latex of a certain tree. Rubber trees are found in abundance in Brazil. Later, these trees were planted in other countries too. The botanical name of this tree is Hevea brasiliensis. In India, the maximum production of rubber is in Kerala. Paper. Paper is the substance or material formed due to the intertwining of the cellulose fibers in grass, wood, rags, or waste paper. Thus, paper is a kind of network of cellulose fibers. How is paper made? Coniferous trees like pine are used to make paper. The bark of the logs of these trees is first removed and the wood is broken into small pieces. The mixture of these pieces and some chemicals is kept soaking for a long time. It helps to form pulp. When the chemical process is completed, the fibrous substances from wood pulp are separated. and some dyes are added. The pulp is then passed through rollers, dried to form paper, and finally wound on reels. Paper and wood are closely related. To save trees, it is necessary to use paper sparingly. Always, always remember, do not tear up blank pages of a notebook. Do not throw away old notebooks with blank pages. The blank sides of advertising pamphlets, inner sides of postal envelopes, the blank sides of calendars, pages, and other such writable surfaces can be used to make notes, lists, to cover books, etc. Do not throw away or burn up such paper until it has been fully utilized like this. Whenever possible, try to use a pencil and slate. Cooperate with people who collect paper from garbage or buy scrap paper. These people help in the proper recycling of resources. Do you know, in India, the first factory to manufacture newsprint paper to be used for newspapers was established at Nepanagar in Madhya Pradesh in 1955. Paper is also manufactured at Songardh in Gujarat. In Maharashtra, there is a paper factory at Balarpur near Chandrapur.